Next up, we're going to be hanging out with Tasnia. Tasnia is an R&D engineer. So basically, she gets to draft and make medical devices for people. And she also gets to take them and introduce them to the people that are eventually going to use them in the future. And guess what? She even gets to travel sometimes around the world. So we're going to have a little fun. Let's go and meet her. So R&D engineer, what is that exactly?
We work on all different parts of the device, coming up with a design, a prototype. We'll take that design and figure out how we can actually build it. And then at that point, we have other people who are also helping us out. There's a lot of outside of the box thinking, whether you're making a new device or if you have a device that you're testing and you kind of have to problem solve and figure out why isn't this test going the way we want it to, or even figuring out how do we want to test the device when we can't always use real life scenarios to test the device. For one of the traits that is especially helpful is creativity. That was definitely one of the things I wanted to be able to incorporate into my future job was how do I get to still be creative, still have fun. As an R&D engineer, I've been able to travel to different places to meet with either different customers or go to different conferences. And so the coolest place that I've gotten to visit is Europe.
That's pretty awesome. All right, well, I'm excited about our demonstration. I know we got some pretty cool things that's going on here. Can you kind of explain like what exactly we're going to be getting into?
What this device is it removes thrombus or blood clots from the body. And why you don't want to have a blood clot in your body is that if it becomes loose, you don't want it to travel to another part of the body because then it can block off an organ or get into the heart.
So we're basically saving lives. All right, well, let's get into it. I am about to remove a blood clot. Dun, dun, dun.
And then, yeah, you're slowly eating away at it. And then you can see as it's taking out the blood clot, it's also putting in saline solution. So we were removing the blood clot from our demonstration area, and so it had to travel through the catheter, and then from the catheter, it ends up in our waste bag here. Now you have completed a case, Doctor.
Hear that, Dr. Juice? But yeah, Tasnia, thank you so much for having us and demonstrating.
Thank you for stopping by.
Can we just get rid of that last blood clot?
Oh, yeah. You're really good at it.
Let's just get rid of this last blood clot. There we have it. Juice and Tasnia, tag team blood clot killers.